AITA for reporting my neighbor's dog noise after my newborn wouldn't sleep. Last week I hit a wall and did something I never thought I would. I live in a 2-bedroom in a city building with my partner and our 2-month-old Luca. Luca only naps when the world is quiet, which means my home office is basically a tiny, noisy lab most days. Since Monday, our upstairs neighbor's dog has started this relentless barking routine from about 5:15 to 7:30 every morning. It's not one long howl, it's a series of sharp yips followed by a low whine that rattles the windows. I measured it with a decibel app and it hovers around 70-85 dB, depending on the gusts of wind. My partner tried talking to them politely. A note slipped under the door, a quick chat before work. The response was basically, "Dogs bark, babies cry, you can't silence the sun." So I filed a noise complaint with the HOA. A manager visited, asked for a schedule, suggested white noise for Luca soundproofing for the wall, and maybe a dog walker on the days the dog owner is at work. The twist upstairs neighbors are sympathetic but broke. They've now started taking the dog to daycare 2 mornings a week and given us a week of peace. I feel good that I stood up for Luca, but also a little guilty for pushing the HOA route. Reddit, am I the asshole for involving the HOA?